Two masses each equal to small m are lying on the axis at minus a comma 0 and plus a comma 0 respectively as shown in the figure. They are connected by a light string. A force capital F is applied at the origin along vertical direction. As a result, the masses move towards each other without losing contact with the ground. The acceleration of each mass at the instant when the masses are at minus x comma 0 and x comma 0 respectively is. According to the problem, the force is applied at origin. So the length of the string is 2a. Then this length will be a. He is asking to find out the acceleration of small m when their positions are at minus x comma 0 and x comma 0. So let us draw the arrangement when the masses are at minus x comma 0 and x comma 0 respectively. This is the line joining those two masses. The coordinates of masses are minus x comma 0 and x comma 0. Now force is applied at this point vertically upwards. Let us name this point as P and this point as A and this point as B. Let us suppose the string AP and PB subtends an angle theta with the line joining the two masses. So there will be a tension developed in the string. Now let us draw a free body diagram on point P. Capital F force acts vertically upwards. Tension T acts in downward direction in such a way that it subtends theta angle with the horizontal. So likewise, there is another tension which acts in downward direction, making an angle theta with the horizontal. So T gets resolved into two components as T cos theta and T sin theta. T cos theta balance out each other, and since P point is massless, net force acting on it should be equal to 0. Therefore, capital F should be equal to 2t sin theta. From this equation we can write T equal to as F upon 2 sin theta. Now let us draw free body diagram on small m. Its weight mg acts vertically downwards. Normal reaction force acts vertically upwards, and tension T acts in such a way that it makes theta angle with the horizontal. Now T gets resolved into two components as T cos theta and T sin theta. Now T cos theta is an unbalanced force, so we can write mass multiplied by acceleration equal to as T cos theta. So this implies acceleration is equal to, from this equation, T is f upon 2 sin theta multiplied by cos theta upon m. Therefore, this implies acceleration is equal to f upon 2m times of cot theta. Now, if we extend the line along which capital F force is acting in backward direction and name this point as capital M, then from this right angled triangle AMP, cot theta is x upon under root of a square minus x square. So substituting that value here, we get acceleration equal to as f upon 2m multiplied by x upon under root of a square minus x square. Therefore, the correct option is 3.